everyone. So today I want to do a little science experiment with you. We're going to be making a tornado in a jar, okay? It's super easy to do. You just need a jar with some water, some dish soap, some vinegar, and food coloring or glitter if you want to use glitter as well, for the glitter to swirl around with your tornado. Okay, so you're going to take your jar, fill it up with water, which I already did. And you're going to put about a squirt of dish soap in there. And then a little drop of vinegar with the same amount, like a tablespoon. And then you're going to take your glitter or your food coloring. I'm just going to do a little drop to give it some color when we shake it up. Okay, I'll put the cap on nice and tight. Shake. This is going to start our tornado. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And then you can watch inside and see a tornado start to spin. You can also spin it like this. I don't know if you can see it a little bit when I hold it up to the light. So maybe this side. Oh yeah. Okay, so shake, shake, spin, spin, spin. Ooh, our cool tornado. Let's do it one more time. Wow. Have fun, friends.